The curb grab is a fast and easy-to-install post that secures to concrete curbs and supports leading-edge protection fencing and guardrails. To install the curb grab, remove the spring lock pin. Rotate the extension tube until it is fully open. Slide the stabilizer towards the vertical post into the locked position. Install the spring locking pin. Turn the adjustment handle counterclockwise to fully open. Remove the spring locking pin from the grab arm and adjust to the width of the curb. Install the spring locking pin to secure in place. Position curb grab at the desired location over top of the curb. Turn the adjustment handle clockwise until the jaw and slider are tight to the concrete. View the visual safe indicator. Turn the adjustment handle clockwise until the red is no longer visible.